Alright guys, so today we're going to talk a little about some of the fundamental chemical laws. And first up is the law of conservation of mass, which says that mass, or matter, is neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. So let's take a look and see what that actually means. Now, first off, I know what you're thinking. You're probably saying to yourself, well, that kind of works, but I mean, what about something like an explosion? I mean, if you blow something up, it gets vaporized, it disappears, right? Well, not exactly. During an explosion, atoms or molecules are really just chains from one form to another. So probably the best way to see this is through a combustion reaction, which is just a reaction between some sort of hydrocarbon, in this case methane, and oxygen. All these are going to be in the gas form, and of course, in order to blow something up, you need a little bit of heat. And let's go ahead and make sure those are all balanced out. Alright, awesome. So let's take a look at what's going on here. Now remember, we said that according to the conservation of mass, matter can't be destroyed or created. So we have to make sure that all the elements that we started with are found both in our reactants and the product side. So first up is carbon. We have one on the left, one atom of carbon, I should say, and one on the right. Awesome. And hydrogen, we have 4 on the reactant side and 4 on the product side. Looking good so far. And finally, we have oxygen. Let's go ahead and finish that. And 2 times 2, we get 4 on the left and 4 on the right. Awesome. Now let's talk about the law of definite proportions, which just says that a pure compound will always contain exactly the same proportions of elements by mass. Now, what does that really mean for us? Well, all that's saying is that any substance, or any pure substance, is made up of the same constituent elements or molecules, no matter where you go. For example, the water that comes out of my tap up here in Mass is going to be made of the same molecules, H2O, as the water coming out of a tap down in Florida. It's always going to be H2O, no matter where you go, which is kind of interesting considering the number of bottled water companies out there. Well, anyway, thanks a lot for listening, and take care, guys.